Of all animal figures, I love the monkey. I love that they always have a wide smile. Then I found this on a yard sale. It was love at first sight. I keep it under the blanket on my bed to keep dust off it. And at the end of the day, when I come home and I see that wide smile, I feel comforted. Then one time I was really so depressed, and I gave it a hug, and the softness felt like it was hugging me back. I realized that's how children feel about their stuffed toys. I grew up in the 50s in the Philippines. I didn't play with stuffed toys back then. I played in the streets. And now I'm in America. Now I can enjoy the stuffed toy. It's called, now that I'm 65,